Hello everybody. Hopefully you watched my customer referral link video. I just wanted to hop on and do a separate video so that way you weren't getting confused between the two and you didn't have to watch both. That way you can choose what you want to watch and you don't have to go through a really long video. Plus this is going to be super quick. I'm also going to upload this on my Instagram channel, which is at Best Self with Steph, and then I'm also going to upload it to my YouTube channel. So you might be watching this there. So I just wanted to go over how to balance your tops and your bottoms, because a lot of times it just doesn't look right. Like either you're wearing too little or you're wearing too much. So a super simple go-to, and this is obviously, you know, you can break the rules fashion-wise, but this is just a general ruling if you're not sure where to start. So the idea is your top can be big, then your bottom can be small, or your bottom can be big and then your top can be small. Meaning that right now I have kind of a lot of coverage in general. Let me move my laptop so you can kind of see if I can show you a little bit more of my whole outfit here. So right now I'm wearing the Brooklyn skirt. It has a little bit of a slit, which is adorable, but it is kind of low and covers. And then for my top, I am wearing the Highline sweater that just released. And with the sleeves down, it is a very long, heavy sweater, right? So the idea is because I have a bottom that covers, then if I kind of pull up my sleeves a little, and I am wearing this oversized. I do generally wear an extra small, and I did upsize to a small because I like that baggy sweater feel. So if I pull up my sleeves, it's going to balance the outfit a lot more because there's a good ratio of skin and clothing, okay? If you have any questions about that, just type away. Now, let's say I wanted to wear my sleeves down and it's kind of a chilly day. What I can do is I can choose a more revealing bottom. Okay, so maybe a shorter skirt, maybe an Astoria skirt with pockets, and then I can wear tights with that skirt and still not necessarily show skin, but body shape. Okay, so like if you were gonna wear one of the Manhattan Slim Slacks, it wouldn't be weird to wear a big top because those are very fitted bottoms. Now, I wouldn't pair one of these sweaters with a maxi skirt necessarily, like I wouldn't tuck it in. If you were to do that, then you can take some of the bulk out of your Highline, okay, by putting up the sleeves and tying it. So that is another way to take the same top and take bulk out so that way you are better balanced, okay? And then you just tuck. What I don't like whenever I do that is like having this weird thing here. So what I do is I tuck it up to make it all the same length. See how much more clear and concise that looks, a little bit more chic. So that is also another way that I can take a lot more bulk out of my top and then therefore letting the sleeves down kind of is a little bit more of a balance. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know. Do not hesitate and let me know if this kind of helped you. And if you would like to hear more later, I'm hoping to do like a whole styling series. I have at least 6 more ideas in my head. If you have any ideas or things that like subjects you want me to talk about, let me know. Make sure you follow me on Insta, subscribe to my YouTube, and I will see you guys later. Bye.